Read and say.
My name is Kushum. I live in Dhaka, but my family is from Chilmari in Kurigram. My grandmother and many of my relatives still live there. Last June, I went to visit my grandmother, my uncle and cousins in Chilmari. Their house is near the Jamuna River. My uncle is a fisherman. My grandfather was a fisherman, but he died about 10 years ago. I didn't know him. When my sister and I visited Chilmari in June, we had so much fun. Our grandmother told us stories about our family and about the history of Bangladesh. My uncle caught a lot of fish. My favorite fish is chapila. It's a thin white fish. It's delicious. We helped our grandmother make the fish every night. We also made rice and vegetables. It was a very special trip. We talked with our relatives and learned about our family and our country. We also sang songs together.
Pair work. Ask and answer. Where does Kushum live? Where did Kushum go? Kushum went to Chilmari. There he saw his grandmother, his uncle and cousins. Who did he go with? What did he do there? What was special about this trip? He went with his sister. There he heard stories from his grandmother about his family and the history of Bangladesh. Also, he helped his grandmother make fish, rice and vegetables. The special thing about this trip was that they talked with their relatives and learned about their family and their country. They also sang songs together. Write the answers to the questions in Activity B in your exercise book.